Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick guide on how to send Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your lieutenant colonel for trading or just to diversify, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to stay safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Tangem wallet is fully set up and updated to the latest 2025 version. Tangem wallets are super secure with their hardware features, so start by unlocking your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and select Litecoin. You'll see your current lieutenant colonel balance. Take a moment to note how much you want to send, including any network fees. Next, head over to KuCoin. Log into your KuCoin account on their website or app, and go to the deposit page. Select Litecoin from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: in 2025, KuCoin might have enhanced QR code scanning, so if your Tangem wallet supports it, use that for extra accuracy. Now, back in your Tangem wallet, initiate the send function. Enter the KuCoin address you copied, specify the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fee. With 2025's improved blockchain tech, fees for Litecoin should be lower and faster. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security prompt. After sending, keep an eye on your KuCoin account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Litecoin to appear, depending on network congestion. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official site to ensure everything went smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Litecoin. Remember, stay vigilant against scams and keep your wallets secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.